Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, Euro dollar, we definitely did turn down very strong at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, but we do not have that major break of structure that's telling us that this thing is going all the way back down yet. Since we do not have that major break of structure, we still need to assume that this could end up just being a pullback to this, and it could make a higher low, maybe after three waves down, and it definitely still could continue the higher time frame uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this move down is all very impulsive for me. So if it is like an ABC, then it's obviously just an A. I would have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, and I would be paying very close attention to these Fibonacci retracement levels. If you get like a big impulsive turn to the downside, that's probably the end of a wave B. It could happen at any one of these Fib levels, so just keep that in mind. And then it probably would go down for a C like this and then turn back up. Or if it's really a wave 3, it would actually go down and take out this structure, which would prove that the 4 hour and daily time frame are back to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.